Hi Glam Fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official glam star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. Cellulite. Something that a lot of us struggle with and are unaware that we can reduce the appearance of. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all ways to reduce the appearance of cellulite, different types of things that you can use, and also the natural treatment that I have created specifically for reducing the appearance of cellulite. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, are you able to completely get rid of cellulite? No. But you are able to make your legs, buttocks, or hip area, wherever you suffer from cellulite at, become more smoother and look a lot better. Let's first start with the natural treatment that I've mixed up for reducing the appearance of cellulite. Now, this natural treatment has worked wonders for my body, and I just know that it's going to work wonders for you. Let me share with you all what this natural treatment contains. For your natural treatment, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, some organic honey, and you're also going to need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now that we know what's in the mixture, let's find out what they are all good for. Coconut oil has been shown to play a role in hydrating and smoothing skin, which can help mask the dimples that are characteristic of cellulite. Honey is one of the most effective ingredients in combating cellulite. Honey massages result in the dissolving of cellulite cells while firming, toning, and detoxifying the body. A fresh brown sugar scrub is an excellent solution that we all want to treat ourselves to a spa day at home. It fights against cellulite, stretch marks, acne, and varicose veins.
If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, go it, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, this is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. It was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm a going out tonight. Before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause I am on a roll, yeah, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for, right? Oh yeah, this is what we gonna do. Oh, you never come clean and you never come through, yeah. You could do me like that.
I'd recommend doing this mixture whenever you get into the shower. This mixture is great for reducing the appearance of that pesky cellulite. A lot of us struggle with cellulite, but a lot of us are looking to reduce the appearance of it. And this is perfect for when summer 2021 comes around, honey. Won't nobody be able to tell you nothing. You'll be in your bikini showing out, okay? I definitely recommend trying out this mixture for all of my ladies who struggle with the appearance of cellulite because it will definitely help. And here are a few more items that can help if you don't want to mix up something, okay? Now, I definitely recommend something like dry brushing. You can purchase a dry brush at places like Walmart. They are also available on Amazon. What you do is dry brush for about 15 minutes in the area of concern, whether it be your buttocks, whether it be your hips, whether it be your thighs, wherever it is. It could even be the abdomen area. I'd recommend going in circular motions for about 15 minutes a day, and you will definitely be able to see a change in your body, a change in the cellulite, and a change in that particular area. Dry brushing is a must-have nowadays because whether you have cellulite and you're trying to get rid of it, or whether you don't have it and you're trying to prevent it, a dry brush is always a must, okay? Exfoliating is also another great thing. I don't know if y'all have heard about exfoliating gloves or different type of exfoliating devices, and I will definitely have quite a bit of those listed down below for those of y'all that are interested in exfoliating to reduce the appearance of your cellulite. I try to exfoliate at least once a week since it can be quite harsh on the skin, so that is one thing that you want to keep in mind, is that exfoliating can cause some issues and dryness with the skin. So we want to reduce the appearance of cellulite, but we don't want our skin to be dry and cracked. So definitely make sure that you keep it to a minimum if you are going to be exfoliating. Now you can also make yourself a coffee scrub in order to reduce the appearance of cellulite. My mom has made a video about this treatment here, so I will definitely link it up in the cards and you can head over and check out that video. What coffee does is tightens and plumps your skin. Since coffee contains caffeine, coffee can also dehydrate fat cells, so they deflate, which makes your cellulite look a little less obvious. So a coffee scrub is another great thing. If you can bear the smell of coffee, then you will definitely enjoy the coffee scrub, especially if you love coffee, okay? Now another thing that I'd recommend doing is eating a little bit healthier. That's the part that a lot of us don't want to hear, but it can definitely help to reduce the appearance of cellulite. But I definitely recommend watching your diet and eating plenty of foods that are filled with fiber, okay? And that will definitely help to reduce the appearance of cellulite a little bit more, because sometimes what you put in your body shows on the outside. It's just like when you drink a lot of sodas and it shows up in your skin, it shows up in acne, it shows up in different types of things. Pay attention to what you are putting in your body. That way your outer appearance will show, hey, she's been treating me nicely, okay? Drinking water is also great for minimizing cellulite. I try to drink quite a bit of water daily, and you can look it up on the internet, but all depending on what your weight is, you can definitely look and see what your water intake should be each and every single day. So there are a lot of ways to reduce the appearance of cellulite. My biggest thing is consistency, and the only thing that I can see you not really being able to do every day is exfoliating. But everything else mentioned on this list you can do on the day-to-day basis in order to reduce the appearance of cellulite. You will have beautiful legs, buttocks, wherever you're putting your cellulite treatments at in no time, as long as you stay consistent to all of these items. Please try them out over an array of time and share with me your results that you have received from them. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so